Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create different reports in Jotform. If you've been collecting form responses and need a clear, organized way to visualize or export that data, Jotform's reporting feature is exactly what you need. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Jotform account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard where all your forms and data are stored. Now, in the upper left corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created, making it easy to manage and access them whenever you need. Next, locate the specific form you want to create a report for. Once you've found it, click on the form to select it. You'll notice a button labeled More. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Create Report. This is where the magic happens, as Jotform offers multiple report formats to suit different needs. You'll now see a list of report types to choose from. These include Visual Report, Excel Report, CSV Report, Grid Listing, and HTML Table. Each type serves a different purpose. For instance, Visual Report is great for charts and graphs, while Excel and CSV are ideal for exporting raw data. Take a moment to decide which format works best for your needs. After selecting your preferred report type, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your report in the Report Name field. Choose a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. You'll also need to select a report style, such as blank, extended report, or compact report. Once you've made your selections, click Create to proceed. The system will take a moment to generate your report template. Now that your report is created, you can start customizing it. Click on Add Element to open up a menu of available elements and form fields. Here, you can drag and drop various elements like charts, tables, or specific form fields into your report. This flexibility allows you to design a report that highlights exactly the data you want to showcase. To further customize each section, simply click on any element you've added. You'll notice a gear icon appears. Click on this icon to open up the settings panel on the right side of the screen. From here, you can adjust colors, labels, data sources, and other formatting options to match your preferences. Once you're satisfied with how your report looks, click the Preview button. This lets you see how the report will appear to others before you finalize it. Take your time reviewing it to ensure everything is accurate and visually appealing. When you're ready to share or publish your report, click the Publish button located in the upper right corner of the page. Before finalizing, you can customize your access settings by clicking the Settings button. This allows you to control who can view your report and how it's shared. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom report in Jotform that presents your form data in a clear and professional format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.